They're expendable.
Alright.
This breaks. We're going to delete all the videos from today, right?
Viral, baby.
Do me a favor.
What video?
Just move this way. That's good right there.
We need some more expendable people up front,
When I'm
please.
testing a knife that I'm not 100% confident with, so I'll start out here where most of the blade is beyond the thing. So if it breaks, it goes away from me. If I start here and it breaks, and it snaps in the middle, it comes at me. So I'm gonna start out here, work my way back, see if I trust it. I kind of believe it's alright, but you never know. Alright, not dead yet.
Ooh.
Alright, now we gotta pick a winner, yeah? That's right. Oh, you. It's not yours. Get on it.
So one of the kids went and picked all the ticket metal guns. But people had thrown away.
Right here.
You were there?